What's up, guys? Before we get started with this video, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know really quick again that we are hosting a giveaway. We have some parts finally coming in for this car. Monday, the body kit comes in, and then a couple weeks after that, I think the wheels should be coming in, and we're gonna start doing the engine bay, you know, tear down and painting it and doing all that fun stuff. So we have a lot of content coming up on that very, very soon. So if you guys have yet to enter the giveaway, please go ahead and do so. Every $5 spent on the MalliMotorworks website earns you a chance to win our car. $1,000 cash too, might I add, and a trip out here to come hang out. But yeah, go ahead and get your entries. We got a lot of new stuff on the website. So at the end of the video, I should have like a little bit of update as to what the hell's been going on here. Obviously, I've been kind of MIA from YouTube, and it bums me out because I really enjoy making YouTube videos. But you know, anyway, I'll talk about that in the end of the video. But regardless, enjoy. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a full out like reveal or show you guys everything on the car right now. As one, I got the rear spats on. They look really good. They complete the rear look for sure. But now I actually have a full new set of some J-Spec taillights. So we're gonna go ahead and toss those in. I actually sold my DIY set, and whoever got those, shout out, because you have a piece of Zupra history. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and toss these on. I'm gonna show you guys how this works, and it's a super simple deal. I got them for a great price on Z1, by the way. Loved it. But yeah, I already went ahead and cleaned up most of like the goo that was already here, and don't mind the mess. This will all get cleaned up pretty much tonight and tomorrow morning. Still got all the plastic wrap on it, so that's why it looks super weird and gross at the moment. But yeah, got this all prepped up as well as I could. I just took like a paint scraper and just kind of grabbed as much of it as I could. This sealant stuff kind of is pretty serious, so clean it all up behind there and basically just get it prepped for the new taillights. And the new taillights actually do come. Let's just pop into them. Pretty excited. I wonder if Nissan like still makes these, or if this is like new old stock. I think they still make them. Love that, dude. It's gonna look nice. Just gotta go ahead and probably polish them up, wax them up, coat them up, you know, and they're gonna be looking really good. But I'm super excited. And then obviously we got the full kit, so yeah, it comes with like obviously, you know, completely understand every word that's on this package, so it's pretty awesome. This is like the new sealer. They were on sale, so I kind of had to do it, you know what I mean? Like it was gonna be so good. So let's go ahead and get it, like I said, get everything prepped up and get these installed. Obviously, you guys know, love my glass cleaner. Love my glass cleaner. Here's the paint scraper I was using. All right, so you guys can kind of see like a channel. That's where your actual your sealer is gonna go. So used to being bodywork, bro. Wow, it's just like second nature now. It looks like licorice. Don't eat it though. You guys get the deal, right? Oh, God. It is sticky though. Oh. Even come with their little baggie. Look at that, little bag of nuts. Okay, so now it's gonna be a little tough to get that actual goo to compress. So just use a little bit of heat from a heat gun, and it usually does the trick pretty well. Looks so good. Like I love the clear lens, especially now with the white. I could not have the clear, you know, the kind of strength of the amber, at least just in my opinion. It looks a little bit more modern with the clear. That's nice. Now, if you guys are removing your stock taillights, make sure you do have to do them in sequence. So this centerpiece has to come out first, and then when you go ahead and install, obviously, outers, then your inner, because there's like this little edge that you kind of, it's like this sealing edge. These actually have their own little foam gasket on the back. You don't need to use that rubber stuff, which I wish they just would have done on the taillights, but you know, hey, I guess they kind of got lazy. Must have been a Friday, you know? 4:30 came around, they're like, ah, shit, I forgot to do our seals, you know? We might as well just throw in some freaking gasket seal, you know? Screw it. Oh, and there also is this, shoot, I gotta take this one out because there's like this little trim clip, and I really don't like it. I mean, I guess it does its thing, but kind of makes it a pain to remove, you know? So I guess be mindful of that as well. Oh, whew. The nice part is your factory lock will line up, and bam, there you have it, brothers and sisters. Looks great. As far as wiring, straight plug and play. Super simple. Nothing extra. Plug straight in, bada boom, and wait. Oh, did I speak too soon? Did I speak too soon? No. Yeah. Look at that. That's nice, huh? There we go. Well, I'm really stoked on how this looks. we're not gonna give the full complete look, guys. Don't worry, it's coming up, and we're gonna try to make like a cool reveal video, man. But damn, like yeah, good, man. I guess nothing really beats OEM stuff. Am I right? Like the fit and finish is just perfect. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of clean up this whole rear hatch area, just get it all put back together, since I do believe I am complete back here. So yeah, let's try and do one of these fancy little, well, I don't know if that was any good or not, but it's looking all, at least it's looking all assembled and complete again. I do need to get some new carpets back here. I do need a new like main carpet, cargo carpet, and then like that new parcel shelf. I also was about to go ahead and paint, fabric paint my actual speaker grills black, because they're like this weird kind of tannish gray. I thought I had to paint some around here, but I can't find it. But at least we got everything all put back together. And yes, I know I'll clean this up later. This was like something last minute that I did on my, just don't worry about it. All right, guys, so like I said, with the booth still not being done, we still got stuff to do. So I actually just went ahead and I put some base coat on my front bumper. It's looking absolutely awesome. It's gonna look really clean, man. I cannot wait. I'm glad I went with this route, because it's gonna just look 10 times better all in all. Woody, what's up, Bob? Where you going? Can't come in here, Bob. Yeah, I'm about to toss some clear coat on here, get this thing done, and in the morning we should be able to toss it on. And we're actually picking up a special guest tomorrow morning, so I want to make sure that the Z is looking good, all complete. And I painted the grill white. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that. What do you, Bob? What'd I tell you? You can check it out for now. You can hang out for now, but when I start laying that clear down, you know, we ain't got a mask for you, Bob. That'd be pretty cool. Could you imagine like paint masks for cats? Could hang out, maybe teach them how to do some body work. What do you think, Bob? All right, guys. So, like I said, I'm gonna lay down the clear and get this thing looking right. Coming in, Bob? Coming in? Yep. Oh, yep. Coming? Yep. So if you guys have been wondering what the hell I've been up to, because, you know, I haven't been uploading lately, and that's all gonna change. I just want to give this a short and sweet kind of update to you guys with what's been going on here at MalliMotorworks. I've been just grinding, hustling every single day, all day. You know, really haven't been filming. You know, it's just tough to get everything going with the filming at the same time, especially when trying to, you know, complete customer cars and stuff like that. So as you guys may know, we did have a filmer that was doing our stuff in the beginning portion of like my time here. That didn't really work out, so we're actually hunting down some new talent, and we actually have a pretty great solution to all of our problems. We're gonna have, you know, a filmer, editor, social media, just help in general, and some help around the shop, and some camera help as well. So I know you guys want to see content. Trust me, I really wish I could produce it daily, but you know, now that this is all like a legit business, I can't spend my time just focusing on YouTube every single day. Now we're just trying to go ahead and get projects out the door, get people in the door, and stuff like that. So you guys have to understand where I'm coming from. You know, it's a grind right now. This is, you know, just been hustling every single day in, you know, day in, day out, just here at the shop. So bear with me. A lot of cool stuff happening here in the future. We have some additions to the team coming up very soon. That's really going to help with the whole content thing. And yeah, so Z's looking great. This is weeks and weeks and weeks after this video that I filmed, but like I said, I just been hustling, grinding. I don't want to show you guys too much, but I actually welded up some reinforcements on this tension rod, on these tension rod brackets for this S14 build. Got the whole rear subframe with a 350Z diff, painted it all up, made it look all good, all legit. We actually have some SPL parts going on it right now. You know, full out solid subframe bushings. You know, we're doing I'm pressing out the bushings in the hubs and the spindles and lower control arms and all that stuff. So this car is really going to be set up for some big power. We actually found out a big problem, unfortunately, oh, also I painted the engine bay. I don't know, you guys probably, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you definitely should follow the shop page, MalliMotorworks on Instagram. But if you check this out, you guys see that is the end of the bolt right there on this nut, and the nut is literally, it's like, it's all fused to this one thing. It's crazy. I don't know where this rust came from, but if I show you guys, maybe you can kind of see, you probably can't, but that stud right here still has like the rubber insulation on it. It's just so rusted on there, and it actually snaps. So now I have the fun job of removing that subframe stud, replacing it with a new one. It's just, man, missions, bro, missions. Update on my 240 really quick. Honestly, it really hasn't, ever since the paint job, it's just been sitting here. It's kind of, every time I look at it, it bums me out a little bit because I want to get this thing up and running so, you know, really badly. And that was the initial plan, to get it up and run. That's why we got the one, that's why I got the 1J so quickly, because I just figured, you know, hey, let's get this thing up and running. But, you know, things kind of changed, unfortunately. So now we're kind of just on this, and this is, you know, on the back burner for now. So, you know, you guys have seen the Z little peeks and sneak peeks of it here and there, probably. I'm sure we did the whole, like, pass mag photo shoot to be on the cover. So that went well. You know, hopefully that'll be up for you guys to buy and see pretty soon. But, yeah, you know, I just want to update you guys with what's been going on. I'm not, you know, I'm still alive. I'm just trying to chase the dream, man. You know, it's been a struggle so far, but you know what? If it were easy, everyone would be living the dream. So we got the shop. We're very, very thankful, but it's just a matter of making things happen from here on out. So if you guys are anywhat local, even if you're not local, we do offer, you know, pickup, transport, and delivery for customer cars. The G35 outside was actually picked up from Maryland. As you guys know, we're in Texas now. So, you know, hit me up. We can figure out a deal if you really want your car built here, and, you know, some content filmed on it, let me know. And we'll make sure we get it done right. So that's gonna be it for this video. Probably a little bit shorter, but we got the JDM tails installed. The car's looking absolutely incredible, man. I can't wait. Once you guys see these photo shoot pictures for the whole magazine, you're gonna be pretty stoked on the car. So still got the reveal video to come, and I think we still have to wrap the hood. As far as content for you guys, I'm gonna have like a how-to wrap your hood video. And from there on out, we're just gonna keep on jamming. I actually bought a V-mount setup for the car so I can start running AC, because it just runs a little bit too hot down here with my current setup, and the V-mount has been tried and tested and proven on this setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed. But that's gonna be it for today. Like I said, shorter video, but I just want you guys to know that I really wish I could upload every single day. It's just really not possible. So yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is. Hopefully that'll all change, and we'll get back up to doing what I love to do, especially making content for you guys. It was a lot of fun. So we're gonna get back up to that stage here ASAP. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the support, and grab your merch. You know, get your entries for the giveaway. It really means a lot. And yeah, if you guys have new stuff on the merch website, go ahead and check it out. Get your entries, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.